When villagers return to their once abandoned homeland, they are not crazy as some of you may think, nor they are brainwashed by the state. Making life impossible is a complicated matter. Why? First and foremost, it's about eating. Look at these 3 mushrooms. Although delicious, the state will probably take them to measure how much radiation they contain. The anti-nuclear activists will take them as evidence to prove that Italy is still highly contaminated, not safe to return, so on and so forth. And in both cases, the mushroom will be wasted. But in the field, I realized that there is a livelihood enabled by a new understanding of expert knowledge. Such understanding is shaped by the collaborations with experts like Professor Harada, who want to go beyond their conventional role as an authority of knowledge. And second, even the state claims the village is safe. Ami-san exercises her own judgment, creates her own agency to rethink sociality in her once abandoned home, to decide what to eat and what not, and who can eat and who should be advised to think things through, based on the science that she herself has been involved. And then, she also shows us that homecoming is not only about knowledge, but also her entanglement with the ambivalence of radiation, or the unwanted yet inescapable intimacy between radiation and her body. When she says, homecoming is to eat mushroom, it means that the mushroom, and more generally the creatures infiltrated by radiation and herself, are not so much interacting, but co-constituting. And finally, all the practices and collaborations are happening under the disciplinary regime pulled together by the state to form the new environmental governance. Governance is not the same as government. It includes the action of the state and, in addition, encompasses actors such as local communities and NGOs. And even though the state wants to use technology in a certain way, villagers might not think the same and will start their negotiation with these state technologies, sometimes try to circumvent them, like what Sugiyama-san does.